Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand how to solve this kind of a problem, which is root of x plus 28 plus 2 equals to x square. Now this here in the first step itself, a lot of people make the mistake. They think of squaring both sides. See, now what happens is when you take the square of this thing, this root gets cancelled. But expansion of a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab. So here what will happen is x plus 28 root of x plus 28 the whole square plus 2 root x plus 28. So here this is where you will get stuck. Your root will still keep happening. Okay, so you need to, the first step for this question is supposed to be super important. Okay, so now how do you do this? So please understand, whenever you have a situation which involves roots, first step what you should do is try to remove the root as easily as possible. So we'll keep root of x plus 28 as it is, and we'll shift the positive 2 on the other side, so we'll get it as x minus 2. Now from here all you have to do is just squaring both sides. So this square and root always cancels. So you're just left with x plus 28 on this side of the equal to. And here you will use the expansion of a minus b the whole square, which is a square, which is x square, minus 2 into x, which is a, into b, which is 2, plus 2 the whole square. So this gets you x plus 28 equals to x square minus 4x plus 4. Now shifting everything on the other side of the equal to and making everything becoming equal to what? 0. So we will have x square minus 4x plus 4 minus x minus 28 equals to 0. So you have x square minus 4x minus x gets you minus 5x plus 4 minus 28, that gets you minus 24 equals to 0. So you need to factorize your minus 24 in such a way that you get the value of minus 5. So factors can be minus 8 plus 3. And when we can do that, let me write it on the other side. So you will have, your question is x square minus 5x minus 24 equals to 0. And like I said, the factors will be x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24 equals to 0. So let's take x common between the first two terms. So we have x minus 8. From the next two terms, what we can take common is 3. So you're just left with x minus 8 equals to 0. See, understand, if any quadratic, if it's gone wrong, means here is your sign. You need to get these two brackets exactly equal. If these are not equal, means you have done something wrong. So now out of this, we can take common is x minus 8 and I'm left with x plus 3 equals to 0. So here I will say either x minus 8 equals to 0, or I can say x plus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to 8, or I will say x equals to minus 3. Okay, so now what happens in this case is, see, your original question was what? That x plus 28 plus 2 should be giving you the value of x. Now for x equals to 8, let's try. You will put root of 8 plus 28 plus 2. So root of 8 is what? Root of 36 plus 2. Root of a positive value will get you positive answer. So 6 plus 2, that gets you 8, and which is your x. So this is correct. This value of x is absolutely correct. Now let's put x as minus 3. So we have minus 3 plus 28 plus 2. That gets you, we'll check whether that gets you minus 3 or not. So you have minus 3 plus 28. That gets you 25. Okay. Plus 2. So root 25 is 5 plus 2. That gets you 7, which is not equal to minus 3. So I will say out of these two values, this value of x is discarded. So for this particular question, we will say value of x equals to just 8. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.